Press It Play, ang pinaka first na catch ng attention ko is si Yuki po. Parang magba-vibes kami kasi mas masarap makipagkulitan sa taong tahimik. Ang bias ko po is si JP. Bakit? Nakaka-interact ko po siya through comment po sa videos niya. Nalalike niya po yung one first video ko po na ginawa ko po for him. As a fan po, natutuwa po ako na ganun po yung interaction ko with my idol.
Na-notice ko po si JP. Opo, si JP first.
Bias mo kayo?
Si Yuki.
Bakit?
Yung vocals po. Pero gusto ko po yung rap din ni Charles, yung vocals din ni JP, tapos si Seth din, yung Biritero. Ayun, na-appreciate ko sila lahat.
When I became a pearl, wala pa akong masyadong bias nun eh. Kasi, pero lahat sila napansin ko. The people who really stood out to me was Yuki and Charles. Kasi sobrang we can't deny, they're just too adorable. They look really nice and talagang plus points kasi sobrang pogi nilang dalawa. Yeah, but right now, ang pinaka-bias ko talaga si Charles, even though I'm nakalagay dun sa description ko na it's apat-tapat because tapat ako sa apat, pero like majority of the time is Charles. Okay?
Patipar tayo. Patipar. Pero siguro, the first member who actually caught my attention is Kuya Yuki. It's like there's a mysterious vibe surrounding him. I could see him as a shy type person, but on stage, ang cute niya. He's actually beautiful. He's so pretty. I'm so sorry if pero ang ganda niyang lalaki. So, ayun. Sana all. Mas maganda pa siya sa akin. Ayan, bias so far ngayon. OT4 po tayo. Ayan.
Hello, ini-invite ko po kayo, sumama po kayo, umattend po kayo ng 3rd anniversary pajama party sa Crazy Leg Studio this coming July 20, 4 to 8 p.m.
See you there!